Sorry for all the Tessa Brooks jokes in advance, but yeah, continue. So, hey guys, it's Mara. I'm here at Knoxbury Farm with.
Hey guys, it's Tessa Brooks.
If you don't look at the camera, get that on my face. So we're in the store right now, and this is Gertrude.
My name is Gertrude. I don't mean to be rude.
So see you, I don't know when,
Hey
for
guys,
more funny clips.
It's Tessa Brooks. You got games on your phone?
This book, it's not boat, it's like
Apple Music?
boat,
Titanic.
with the S.
Titanics. Ooh. I
No.
look like a peanut.
Well, we're at Knoxbury Farm. Ritual, did you hear someone say Miss James' class?
Hey guys, I have a Maxine puzzle. I'm the manager, by the way.
Yeah.
Just in case you didn't know.
But anyways, there's like a boat. Santa Tana.
It's Tessa Brooks and the competition shook. Yeah, it's not every day, bro. And it's no Disney Channel flow. You took 5M for 6 months. That has been done before. You thought you were swag, but you got your fame from your brother. It's low gangster forever. Dude, you wish you were on a magazine cover. I'm on your miss now. It's time to roast. You think this is funny? Bryce out, you dig? Okay, take your camera back. I don't want this.
Thank you. That was 1 minute of nothing.
No, just look at the footage.
It's Tessa Brooks. It's Tessa.
We need to get out of here.
She killed me. That's the thumbnail.
Hey, don't run in here. Don't. Hey, come here. Do not run in here. No.
Very.
Barrett.
I'm zooming in on your face. Where are you going?
I have no social life. I have no phone. I'm on Snapchat, guys. Even though I have no phone.
What are
Make
you
sure guys,
saying?
make sure you guys call me on my flip
No.
phone.
Oh my God.
Don't wake up me. Yeah, I recorded.
It's fine. I got this. I'm a vlogger, dude. I
Yeah.
haven't posted a video in
Okay.
like 5 weeks. I'm a vlogger,
If
dude.
you know, your boy. How do you say it? Yup.
No. Yo.
Yo. They said that. They said that I look like Tessa Brooks.
Why? How?
I don't know.
You don't think a snake?
She wants to be like me. I mean, I can't blame her. I can't. Well, I know I'm not a snake.
Competition shook.
Shut. I'm sorry if I keep saying that, guys. You're probably gonna get annoyed at me.
I'm already annoyed.
You are?
Very.
Okay, I'm gonna try to stop saying it. It's just stuck in my head.
No one's never copied in my college. They popping.
England is my city,
He's like a J collar.
and you know it's popping. And you know I'm Nick Crumpton. So I always be crumping.
Crump.
And I say,
Hey, let's go, Bryce. Okay. No.
Got a blast.
Wood camp. Wagon. I can't see. I mean, spell. I mean,
like to
read.
wagon.
Wow. Let's do a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail, okay? No, where should we do it? Let's go.
Oh, we should have been in front of Silver Light.
Yeah. No, we should do right here. Perfect. We're doing a thumbnail, guys.
What are we doing?
A thumb. No, you did too late. I don't like that one. I'm finding a good place. Right here. Right here. Okay. What? Guys, so we're separating. Me and Bryce taking on the world.
Yeah, they went to the, hold on, let me get on the side.
They're going to the kitty ride.
They went on, my brother and
I don't blame them because
and then the other crew of ours,
yeah, they're going on
they
Ghost
went on
Rider.
She wasn't scared to go on Ghost Riders.
It's like no,
So
it's
I was
wooden.
just
No,
like, okay, I'll just
no.
stay with you then.
Yeah.
Because she
So-
doesn't know a lot of people, my group, so I'm just like,
I
I'm not
really
gonna
don't.
leave her by herself.
Okay. So like, where should we go?
We did the clickbait thing already.
Clickbait.
My bad, not clickbait. I'm thinking of,
Wait, I died on Silver Bullet.
this is my ghost.
No, oh my lord.
Oh,
Can you see
wow,
that?
that drop is big.
No, oh no.
No,
You
I
think?
oh my god.
Oh,
that
shit.
drop is big. I wouldn't die.
That. No, I didn't get the on tape, but what was that? Yeah. I'm dead, bro.
Guys, I'm serious about business.
See, they're dying right now.
We're
We're RP, but we can't find anything. 'Cause, like, we're in Ghost. Oh, I found one.
We're in, yeah, but
We're in Ghost Town.
it's called Ghost Town, right?
It's called Ghost Town, yeah.
So, okay, this is where Dario went for her birthday. So.
Okay, so we could be in jail. We could be in jail. I say once again. We could go in jail once again. That's all you do is in jail.
Bro, I feel low-key busy. It's low-key there. I should ask for money.
What do you mean? It's hot. It's like really hot. And I didn't eat anything today because my stomach was weird, so I didn't eat. But I'm not hungry. It's really weird. But I could eat.
Okay, we're gonna find
England is my city.
England is fine. I wonder how long this is.
England is my spirit animal. School, okay? Ready?
What kind of person
Let's go
are
to
you?
school. Right. I don't want to go to school because she.
I did my homework already.
Ew. Sorry.
Oh my gosh, we're walking around like total idiots.
Oh no, there's rides over there. I know for sure. So let's go. We walked around this whole park. It's hot. Hit a million a month. Where were you? Let's see.
Samara.
Let's see.
Samara.
What?
I think you know what this is.
I don't.
Water ride?
No. Oh no. The water ride isn't called this. It's called Bigfoot Rapids. It's a mystery lodge. Guys, so we're going on the Iron Reef. I'll vlog it when we go on it. So
I never been on this ride before.
Oh god. So I just got off that swing ride over there somewhere. We're eating French fries, and Bryce is calling Michelle about her spreadsheet because she's hot, I guess. Well, she is hot. So yeah.
It's irritating. Try out my favorite food.
I love pizza.
Pizza. Fourth. It was fun. We were singing Jake Paul. I mean, not Jake Paul, my bad. Logan.
It was lit. We were on Jaguar. It was we're going on it again.
My throat hurts.
I know, same.
I was saying,
Okay, peace, guys. We're going on this next. Ready? We're gonna do it a second time.
Because we're that. This is what Logan would have wanted.
Yep. And then we went on these kids. They're
We're
really
gonna do it
sweet.
again. No, legit, like when you first go on, it's like your stomach goes dum dum. It's like, oh.
And but when you close your eyes, you just don't feel anything. It's just like, but when
I
you
didn't
open
close
your
my
eyes,
eyes though.
I close my
I
eyes.
saw Samara doing this. Find out what you're gonna look for.
God got me. Got off of Bigfoot Rapids, and then my pants are wet. Oh my gosh, they're so wet. Okay, so they're like really wet, pretty much. How are you?
Huh?
How are you? Is your shirt wet?
Really? No, like only thing that got wet was half of my shirt. Like, see if you can see that. My pants didn't get wet. Well, it got wet, but it's not that much. And my shoes, they didn't get touched.
I got fully wet. Everything. The map's wet and she's ruining it.
I have another one to look at. That's why I got two.
And then, so yeah.
We're gonna go on Pony Express, guys. This is
Yeah,
in the back.
Pony Express. Yeah.
So it's about to be.
See you after Pony Express because I don't report on rides. On Pacific Scrambler. It's Scramble. It's on the back of the seats. Okay, whatever. But we're going on this ride next, and then we're gonna hit up the ride I did not go on, that one. So I just got off first we had Scrambler, and we did it twice because it was like so much fun. So now we're going on the yellow ride. I didn't go on before because I was just like, I had anxiety and I just got scared like that, and I was like in the line because like that ride. It's like that, so I'm kind of scared.
We don't have, this is not straightforward, okay? We don't have very expensive seatbelts, like, you know, like our seatbelts are so bougie.
I'm dizzy.
But our cups are even bougie-er, like we have little girls.
Oh, you hear that right?
So, I mean, I guess you can boil your cups for over like $20, but like, You can get them on
Did you say
Amazon.
boil cups?
Hold up, listen to me. But on Amazon, you can get like our cups for like $5. So like, if you want to save your money, live better like Walmart or the Amazon.
Can you not do that angle, please? Thank you.
I don't need you to tell me what to do.
I am the one that not. Bye. I didn't do an outro, but we just rode one ride over and over again for the whole night. It was a really fun Knoxbury farm trip. Like, subscribe, and comment, and share. Yeah. Bye.